In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy tickets on Viagogo. To get started, head over to the Viagogo website or open the Viagogo app if you prefer using your phone. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is sign into your account. If you don't already have one, you can create a new account before moving forward. Having an account makes it easier to manage your order and access your tickets later. After you're signed in, use the search bar to look for the event you want to attend. You can search by event name, artist, team, or venue, depending on what you know. This is usually the quickest way to find the exact listing you're looking for, especially if there are a lot of similar events showing up. When the event page opens, take some time to browse the available ticket listings. This is an important part of the process because prices can vary based on seat location, ticket type, and availability. As you compare listings, pay attention to where the seats are located and whether the ticket format works for you, such as mobile delivery or another delivery method. Once you find the tickets you want, select them and click Buy or Continue. From there, you'll be taken to the order review page. This is where you should carefully check all the details before paying. Make sure the number of tickets is correct, confirm the delivery method, and review the full total, including any service fees or extra charges. It's always a good idea to slow down here so there are no surprises at checkout. Next, enter your billing, payment, and contact information. Be sure everything is accurate since this information is used to process the payment and send updates about your order. If anything is entered incorrectly, it could delay the purchase or affect how you receive your tickets. After that, confirm your purchase by clicking Place Order or Complete Purchase. Once the order goes through, all that's left to do is wait for the confirmation email. That email lets you know the purchase was successfully submitted and gives you a record of the transaction. Finally, once the seller delivers the tickets, you can access them through the My Order section of your account or follow the ticket transfer instructions sent to your email. Depending on the event, delivery may be instant or it may take some time, so be sure to check your account and email updates. And that's how to buy tickets on Viagogo from start to finish.